Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to limit the single movement. We will use advanced math like this. Go to math, go to advanced math, click angle math. See, you can insert angle value parameter. This one for maximum value and this one for minimum value. For parameter, click this face and this face. Insert 19 degree. Uncheck flip dimension. For minimum value, insert 0 degree. And click OK. See? Now you know how to limit the angle movement. That is Quick Tips. See ya!